Hi everyone, today I'm back with one more tutorial, and this tutorial is on Canva, how you can bulk create multiple designs. So for this we will use the latest launched Canva Sheets option which was launched in April 2025. Let's visit canva.com. And we need to use the pro plan in order to use the bulk create. You click on create and click on printable and go for a poster. So click on happy birthday. Now you have various options. And let's pick this one. Now this is what you have selected and you do create again and click on sheet. Now this will open in a new window. Now you put here name and the next you put a photo. Now let me type two names and let me drag two photos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do is I go to this cell and click on my photo and I go to the next cell and I click on the 5 Jyoti's post. Okay. So now go and select this entire data. You click on actions, go down, click on bulk rate, like a crown here, which means it is available only for the pro option. So click on bulk rate. So now this is telling you what is the data array. It is from A1 to P3. Click on continue. Now click this untitled design because that's the last design which we had opened, the birthday design. If you see here, it's come here on page 2. Now what you do is you go on this image part and go connect data. Now you want your photo field in the sheets to be connected to this. To do that, then you go to the name part, again to connect data, and you want the name part of the sheet to be connected to it. So your name and photo is connected. Now what you do is you go to advanced option here and do multiple pages in one design. So in the same project, it will make multiple designs. Then you click, this is the magic button, click on create. Now your designs are ready. Now if you click on view in folder, this is the new one, bulk design. Let's open this. Now if you see this is the first one it created. This is the second one it created. If you see here, it has got Jyoti's image and Jyoti's name. And you see the first one, it has got my photo and it's got my name. It did this automatically. For two posters, it may seem like all a big procedure, but imagine you had 200 of these. So if you had a sheet with 200 of these names, imagine how much time it would take on you to create these posters. Here you can create for 200 at a time. For example, HRs and all, they need to create these birthday posters for all the employees. Now suppose you have got 200 or 300 employees in your organization. You may be having data available of their names, of their photos. Put this in the sheet and use this bulk rate option. In one click of a button, it will create 300 designs. This requires the paid plan of Canva. Plans and pricing. Let's go to plans and pricing. See here, you've got various options. 1 year's plan costs 4,000 rupees. If you go for a 1 month plan, it is 500. And you can get Pro for as little as 69. So if you click on the 69, if you want to try it just for 1 day, it's 69 and 1 week is 190. So as low as 69 rupees, you can try it out. Now suppose you want to export this, you download this, click on share, then click on download. You can select PNG or any other format. There are various options, JPEG, PDF, etc. Go for PNG because that is what it's suggesting and click on download. It's completed download. So look out for the pages. Okay, there's a new option available more in Sheets. What you can do, suppose you select this, you can click on this AI feature, background remove. when you do background remove, it will remove the background of all the photos at the same time. Okay, now let's try bulk create with this. Select this. Okay, we choose the design and connect this photo. You connect the name. If you can connect data to the name, and you have done the connection. Now go to advanced setup and click on multiple pages in one design. Then to click to create design. If you see it is created, if you see view1, you can see that the background is no longer there. So both of the when AI has removed the background. I hope you liked it. Have a great time using Canva to do bulk creation to save your time. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates. See you. Bye bye.